की खूब और कब्बाते से टीवी। ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Usumbut mindirangba ka jilla ubakmi ketanat penroi sorba snyau balang dahar. Haka Tarik Naitung arajar alpusan. Lapintip baula ye kendu kinong di madan bat kat kum gejengkat pak jongki ka sorkar ru kelap diang ye kejeng dawa. Haka jing kerem kilat patai kubor ba dahar luyat hu bala da kinong di madan kidang Kyrngah wa hadin bela aipor Haduh ka alpu Tarik Naitung arajar alpusan. Hadin muka sorkar kala menjur ye kejengkat pak jongki ka anhi kan sele laga jongka Kamram namar ba ka sorkar Haduh menta kala pentri kami ke hukum juga yang bishar High Court.
Because we are doing for the right thing for you people and the state as a whole. I want my cities to be clean, neat and clean, and we should be living discipline, and that's why we are not throwing them out. We are working nicely in such a manner to put them in the office. Please. That goes on from time to time with my officer. That does happen from time to time. We are not Alama. They are free to meet my officer, even to meet them from time to time. Negotiation is there. And also now is the implementation part has come, so we have to go with it.
Of this roadside parking?
No, we are doing now. That's why we already passed recently about the parking policy of the road parking in the city. It's only on the job. We are implementing now.
But
the ground floor of the mobile parking lot, that was initially allocated to the hawkers, but they did not want that.
That's why they request you put upstairs.
Yes, you put upstairs. So now the ground floor, what will you do?
We will see, don't worry.
Sir, like you said that you are already implementing, but we are not seeing much because still.
You see, that's why you are seeing the police on the job. That's why the issues find sleep from time to time. That means we are implementing it. And that's why if you compare from the last few months now, it's quite improved. There is no one parking right in the middle of the road. Yes, maybe not one shot at one time. So hopefully it will be improved properly. Don't worry. We will do it.
So by when this implementing?
Not by when. It's a continuous process to correct our measure.
At least by when it will be visible?
At the earliest possible. That's why I especially personally from my side, I always request my people of the city, please cooperate with the government to avoid all this traffic jam. You see, it's a collective responsibility. We are here to work for the people, point number one. And thanks for the people, they always cooperate us also. Yes, there is some challenges here and there, that's no problem. There is challenges, but we always work with challenges. And hopefully, we will be able to achieve the goal one day with all of us will be collectively responsible. The government will do its own job. We are just doing the enforcement drive to place and put our people in the right direction. Because we are trying our best from the government, which is in line with the court order. And you know very well that we are aware, all of us are one that our city should be neat and clean. Yes, we have to respect the pedestrian footpath for the other people move along the road, and we want to clean and keep the city in the right direction also. And we as government, we are trying to do in such a manner that we are not throwing our people. We are giving us schemes and put them into the good places. You know very well the Muda, which is the very right place for the commercial. Yes, previously they request us, don't put us into the where there is no commercial purpose, so we accept it and we do as per the request. And we are doing our own job. I think we have Muda. I don't think so they will be against it. Slowly they will be in line with us. That is my request also at the same time.
So is it eviction or right now
No,
only
not
checking?
eviction, it's enforced drive only. You see, we have, you know very well. We have already had it from time to time along with the decision only. And that's why we are doing it. It's a collective decision.
You met a delegation this afternoon of some of the hawkers. What were the points that we discussed with you?
No, nothing. We just came and request me. Sir, please give us good space, and we are doing exactly what they request me.
Sir, July 22nd is the deadline. So in any case, if the hawkers are not willing to move, what action will the state government take in that case, in case the hawkers fails to meet this July 22nd deadline?
Don't worry, I'm having a full confidence they will be cooperate with the government. And if not, the law will take them course. Simple as that.
What type of action, legal action?
Action is action. Because we are following the High Court order.
Sir, apart from 2 locations that the government has identified, are there any more locations which the...
Don't worry, let us move in this first phase. After we will go for the next phase.
So in any case, those hawkers who don't have COV, certificate of vending, will they allowed somehow, or will they have to close their shop?
Obviously, we will see when time comes. Let us move for this first phase as per the, you know very well, all the 760 of them. And yes, process will continue. So we will see, we will work accordingly. Make sure all the hawker will be placed in the right position one day. Yes, maybe one time, one shot is not so easy for us, but we are trying to see and help our hawker in such a manner that maybe not to the mark as they want, but we are trying to do the best from the government side.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.